Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news read by Ketholeno. Union Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan yesterday launched Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan 2020-21. This initiative is a national program for popularizing science among school students of class 6 to 11. It was designed to identify the bright minds with a scientific aptitude among the students' community. While launching it, the minister said this is a platform to identify the talent in the field of science and to promote the scientific acumen among the students. He said students will help in creating New India and this initiative will play a leading role in it. The total confirmed COVID-19 cases in Nagaland has gone up to 1,831 as a total of 138 positive cases were detected yesterday. Minister for Health and Family Welfare S. Pangnupom in a tweet during the day had said out of 552 samples tested, 130 were COVID-19 positive, 109 in Dimapur and 21 in Kohima. However, the Health and Family Welfare Department in the evening update said another 8 persons from Dimapur tested positive, increasing the number to 138, making it the highest single-day spike of COVID-19 cases in the state. It also maintained that out of the total confirmed cases, 5 patients, 3 in Kohima and 1 each in Zunheboto and Parent districts tested negative for the virus, increasing the number of recovered persons to 640. However, the recovery rate of Nagaland, which had once gone up to 68%, has come down to 34.95%. Of the total confirmed cases in the state, 1,183 are active, while 640 have recovered, 4 died and 2 migrated. Meanwhile, Principal Secretary Home Abhijit Sinha said that the positive persons are receiving medical care at the designated COVID-19 hospitals and care centers, while active surveillance and contact tracing is also in progress to prevent further spreading of the infection. India yesterday registered the lowest COVID-19 mortality rate at the global level as the mortality rate further declined to 2.15% in the country. It is the lowest figure since the first lockdown was imposed due to coronavirus pandemic. The Health and Family Welfare Ministry said a total of 10,94,374 people have recovered so far, taking the recovery rate to 64.52% in the country. The Health Ministry said highest number of 57,118 new cases of COVID-19 were reported in the country in a single day, taking the total number of cases to 16,95,988. Till yesterday, the total number of active cases in the country was 5,65,103. In a single day, 764 deaths were reported, taking the nationwide toll to 36,511. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan yesterday announced the successful completion of pan-India 1,000 genome sequencing of SARS-CoV-2. He also highlighted that 16 vaccine candidates are in different stages of development. The minister also held a meeting with the Department of Biotechnology and reviewed the COVID-19 activities of DPT, Biotechnology Industry Research Assistance Council. In the meeting, the minister launched and dedicated to the nation the largest network of 5 dedicated COVID-19 biorepositories established by the Department of Biotechnology. These biorepositories are situated at Faridabad, Bhubaneswar, New Delhi, Pune and Bangalore. He complimented the efforts of the Department of Biotechnology in the relentless war for mitigation of this pandemic. And murdered rifleman Metna Konyak of the 4th Assam Rifles was laid to rest in full military honors in his native town in Mon yesterday. According to a release issued by PRO Assam Rifles, among those present to pay homage to the late Jawan were police and paramilitary personnel, President Konyak Union, President Konyak Students Union and well-wishers. The brave heart made a supreme sacrifice for the nation while fighting insurgents in Manipur on 29th of last month at Khongtal area of Manipur's Chandal district near the Indo-Myanmar border. The mortal remains of the martyr were brought to his hometown on Friday. Offering condolences to the bereaved family members, Commandant Mon Battalion Assam Rifles assured all necessary support and assistance from Assam Rifles. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.